nga checkpoint upod din na sa pag-implement ang riding in tandem ordinance.
CD, ang tanan nga borders ang Bacolod, Talisay, kag Bago, kag Murcia, may ara naga mga security personnel.
Yes, that is part of our major event security framework. Mayara kita border control. So, mayara kita nga identified border areas na dili nagka-conduct checkpoint ang aton ng mga personnel. Ang drone should be regulated. No? This is to avoid collision mid-air. That's why ang aton nga appeal, no, especially sa organizers, nga may coordination as to the altitude. So dapat may coordination sa atong police because ang drone has become part of our security gina-apply namon sa day-to-day operations namon. Kaga para nga ma-avoid nato ng mga insidente, dapat may coordination. And based on the coordination with the Gugma Foundation, we should not allow drones to be flown by bisan sino lang. Dapat may prior coordination. No gun ban. Until now, wala sang reply ang aton nga local chief executive. Kaga ina gina respeto naton ang iyang desisyon.
Hindi na siya maging problema.
Hindi man. May mga contingency man kita dira no. Kung before pa man naton gina-recommend, I think kabalo kita nga decision will come from our mayor. Kabalo na kami kung anong imoon event medyo siya mag.
So bali sir, wala, for the first time.
No gun ban.
For the first time.
In the case
Actually,
of gun ban, no first time ni. In the case of signal jamming, nagligan na ito ay kulang.
CD, that's the greatest aspiration.
That has been our objective. Zero major crime incident. That is our yardstick for us to say that this Mascara 2025 is successful.
CD, from
600 will come from pro-NIR units and 300 will come from pro-6.
so meaning CD, once mag-event naman to sila, kita naman mapadala sa ila.
Yes. Amo nang arrange nila.
Balos, ano ni?
We will reciprocate the support that they will give us.
Kanina,
Reciprocate.
Muligay.